The Rack Shop is proud to present this Jeep Grand Cherokee with the metal flush side rails, year ranging from 2011 through 2022. These metal rails can mostly be chrome, but also some models are black, as you see here. So this is the Yakima JetStream SkyLine base roof rack system, consisting of the Yakima JetStream bar, 50 inches in length. Black shown here, silver is also available. The SkyLine towers come in a set of 4 that have a quick release feature as shown here, so locks are recommended but aren't required and are available separately. Connecting the bar and the towers to the vehicle is landing pad 18 that bolts directly into the OEM connection points found in the roof. So crossbar spacing is about 32 inches, center to center, and overall weight carrying capacity of 165 pounds. So that's just been a quick walk around for this vehicle. For more details, pictures, or to purchase this complete kit with a couple clicks, visit the link in the description below. And that's going to be it for this one. But like always, thanks for watching.